Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are discussing about the family Fabaceae. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the family Rosaceae and Caesary Rosaceae and Fabaceae. Okay. Today we will discuss about the Fabaceae family. Fabaceae family was previously known as Leguminosae. Leguminosae was the old name of this family. According to the ICBM, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, the ending of the family should to be ACEAE. So it was named as Fabaceae. Okay? It is the second largest family among the dicotyledonous plants. And it is subdivided into three subfamilies. That is known as Papilionaceae, Mimosaceae and Caesalpinaceae. So we will discuss them number by number. So moving towards our lecture, Fabaceae, old name Leguminosae, okay, and commonly known as legume family, okay, because their member bears legumes and has legumes kind of roots, and it has nodules in their roots, okay. So it has about 550 genera and 12,000 species worldwide, okay. It is divided into three subfamilies. Papilionaceae, commonly known as pea family, myrtle. Mimosaceae, touch me not its member, common member, okay. Mimosa pudica, that's why this family is known as Mimosaceae. And Caesalpinaceae. Caesalpinaceae is commonly known as Cassia family. Cassia fistula is its member, commonly known as Landes, Amalthus. Okay. So moving towards the Papilionaceae family, commonly known as pea family. It has about 375 genera and 7,500 species worldwide. Okay. They are cosmopolitan in nature. They can be found in subtropical areas, tropical areas and temperate areas. They can be found everywhere, okay, because their members are very important. They are used everywhere in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Australia and Africa as well. They can be found in tropical, subtropical, temperate, moist temperate, dry temperate, everywhere they can be found, okay. Regarding its habit, most of the members are herbs. Okay, about 90% of their members are herbs, while rarely they are shrubs and trees. Only Dalbergia sistu, that is known as shisham, in Pashto known as shawa, it is a tree, while rarely they are shrubs, and 90 or 95% members are herbs. Okay. Moving towards the important members. It is one of the most important family and their members are used as a vegetable. They are used in daily life routine. Okay. So number first one is Pisum sativum. Pisum sativum, commonly known as pea. In Urdu known as mutton. In Pashto also known as mutton. Pea is commonly used as a food. Okay. And it mostly contains vitamin E. Lathyrus odoratus, it is commonly known as sweet pea, in Urdu known as pool mutton. This plant is ornamental in nature. It has a very beautiful flowers and the people grow them in their lawns and gardens, okay, for ornamental purpose. नमूद नुमाइश के लिए लोग इसको ग्रो करते हैं, ठीक है. Cicer eritinum, commonly known as chickpea or gram, in Urdu known as channa, in Pashto also known as channa. It is edible and it contains highest number of carbohydrates and proteins. Okay, it contains the nutrients and minerals. Physiolus vulgaris, lobia, beans. It is also edible. In Pakistan, people and mostly in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, it is edible, and people mostly edible it in colder season, colder climatic region. grass, mung, Physaeolus mungu. It is also known as dal mung, Physaeolus linatus, fresh beans, lobia. Okay. Medicago denticulata. In Urdu that is known as pishtare, or in Pashto known as shpishte. It is used as a vegetable, green vegetable. लोग इससे साग बनाते हैं, ठीक है? And it is rich in iron. Okay. Areca hypogaea, commonly known as peanut. In Urdu known as मूंगफली, in Pashto also known as मूंगफली or pali. So then it contains oil and also the proteins. It is edible. Okay. It is used as a dry fruit. Lens culinaris, masool. It is also edible. Trifolium repens, in Urdu known as shaftal, in Pashto known as shodal. That is used as a fodder for cattle, for cows, buffaloes, sheep, and wild animals as well. It has another species that is known as Trifolium alexandrum. So that is used as a fodder for animals. Okay. Tribonella fucum, known as methi, in Urdu known as methi, that is also used as a vegetable. Okay. Indigofera tinctora, that is known as indigo, and it is used for give the colors. It has yellow flowers. Okay. And last one is the Castellospermum australe. It is commonly known as chestnut. Okay. So that was all about the important members of this family, size, distribution, occurrence, habit and habitat of this family. Okay. Was that